Hey guys. Glad you all can make it to the 23rd episode in this series, aka known as the second part of the second floor walling up of the house. I bet you guys can guess what we're going to do today, and that is finish up, of course, this second floor. What we have to do is wall up all these walls, sand the tops like we did, and sand the walls, and we'll be done with the second floor for now before we put the ceiling on. There's nothing really new that I'm going to be doing in this episode that I've already done before. Like I'm going to be framing the doorways in these rooms, just like that. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4 doorways to do. And then of course this great room, which will turn out really nice. Forgot that this fireplace actually extends up higher, so I will have to change up this a little bit, and that'll be coming along later in the video. Stay tuned for that. But for now, I think what I'm going to do is begin walling up this side, and we'll move up all the way down to the 2-story great room. So without further ado, let's get into a time lapse of me walling up, I guess, the house, the rest of the second floor. In 3, 2, 1, now. Alright, so I'm up to the point where I have pretty much the entire rest of the second floor done except this part. And in the beginning of the video, I said I was going to fix that front part, or not the front part, this fireplace, because this does actually go up past where I built this window. So what we need to do is put a popsicle stick probably like right here around there somewhere, and then raise this part up using the thin sticks, and then build it up, and then wall everything else like I have. So this great room is gonna look really nice. Already looks pretty good with this whole wall walled up now. After that, we're gonna sand the top, and be done. So let's get a quick last time lapse of this wall fireplace area right here in 3, 2, 1, now. Okay, so now with the second story all done, we can sand this back area, the walls and the top. And then actually we're going to be making some rails right here, here, and here before we put the roof up. So let's get that time lapse in 3, 2, 1, now. So how I'm going to make the railings for the overlook into the 2-story foyer, great room, and stairwell is I'm going to take the thin sticks like this, set them out like how I do the walls, and then build railings going up and down. So with that, let's get into a little time lapse of me building those in 3, 2, 1, now. Okay, so with all the railings in and the stairwell overlooking the 2-story foyer and the great room, this video is about done. I've gotten everything I've gotten done today, or in this episode. These rooms from the closet, extra room all the way down to the bedrooms and bathrooms, and the great room, which by the way I think looks really nice. If you can't tell by now, this is probably my favorite area in the whole house, because I keep saying how good it looks, but I think it's true. So yeah, thank you everybody for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next one. Bye.